This is a short tutorial to guide you on downloading Scratch software on your computer and Zoom as well. There are two methods. You can use the web browser to download, but here the simplest method is to use the Microsoft stores. So like the Play Store on your mobile phone or the Apple Store, click on Start and type Store, S-T-O-R-E, and then you will see Microsoft Store. Open it at the search button. So the Microsoft Store opens like the App Store with some apps here. So we just type Scratch, S-C-R-A-T-C-H. Yes, so we'll have some apps. We are interested in Scratch 3. Scratch 3. So we click on Scratch 3 and you will see install button or get. Please click on get or install. And it is getting ready to install. We will allow some time for it to finish downloading onto the computer. After successful download, we will see this install button turn to what? Open. Then it means that we are ready to start. So you can click on open and then the app will be there for you to continue. So there we go. We have our Scratch. Now we have to do not share my data and close. So now that when you have this interface, you are good to go. You have Scratch. So let's close it and go back to our Microsoft stores. When you click on it, and let's use the same process to install our Zoom. So let me click on it and then I'll search for Zoom. Okay, so we see Zoom Workplace, and please kindly note the Zoom Workplace and install it. Once you install the Zoom Workplace, it will also be there. So you come to start to be sure. You can type Scratch and there you go. You can also type Zoom to be sure you have it. And there you go. So the only thing is that we will give you the Zoom ID. Just click on the Zoom anytime your class is about to start. And then all we want you to do is to click on Join Meeting. Once you click on Join Meeting, it will ask of your ID and passcode, and then you join. Thank you very much. You can always reach out to Vertec admin for any further assistance. Thank you.